Welcome back to the Honest Auto Reviews. Today, we've got something truly special. An absolute beast of the road that's been transformed into a luxury home on wheels. This isn't your typical RV. This is the Kenworth W900 Motorhome, a custom rig that combines the raw power of a legendary semi-truck with the comfort and style of a high-end mobile mansion. The Kenworth W900 is known for its classic long-nose design, rugged build quality, and sheer presence on the highway. Originally built to haul heavy freight across long distances, this machine has now been reimagined to haul your entire lifestyle, without sacrificing a bit of muscle. When you first lay eyes on it, the chrome, the grille, the dual stacks, and those unmistakable lines all scream classic American trucking power. But step a little closer, and you'll notice this isn't just a big rig anymore. It's a fully loaded motorhome. Under the hood, we're usually talking about a Cummins or Cat engine, pushing out over 500 horsepower. That kind of power means this motorhome doesn't struggle on hills, and you can tow pretty much anything. Car hauler, boat, ATV trailer, you name it. This thing eats miles for breakfast and doesn't flinch. Now let's talk about what's behind the cab. The living space built onto this W900 isn't just impressive, it's next level. Slide-outs expand the living quarters to give you more room than you'd expect. Inside, you'll find custom leather seating, real wood cabinetry, full-size appliances, and a luxury bathroom setup that rivals many apartments. There's often a full entertainment system, LED lighting throughout, and premium climate control to keep things comfortable no matter where the road takes you. The sleeping quarters are typically set up with a queen, or even a king-size bed, tons of storage, and sometimes even a second sleeping area if it's built for families or guests. Every inch is designed for function and comfort, but also to make a statement. This isn't just a way to travel, it's a way to turn every parking spot into your own private resort. Driving it is a unique experience. You sit high, with an unmatched view of the road. Despite its size, the Kenworth W900 handles surprisingly well thanks to the powerful steering system and air suspension. And because it's built on a commercial truck platform, you know you're getting industrial-grade reliability and safety. One of the best things about a Kenworth W900 motorhome is the customization. Each build is unique, tailored to the owner's needs. Some rigs are designed for full-time living, others for show tours or hauling toys to the next big race or adventure spot. The possibilities are endless, and that's what makes these motorhomes so exciting. In terms of cost, you're looking at a serious investment. Depending on the level of customization, interior features, and base truck condition, these rigs can range from $150,000 to well over $500,000. But for those who want the best of both worlds, power and luxury, it's worth every dollar. So, whether you're a truck enthusiast, a full-time traveler, or just someone who wants to live life a little larger, the Kenworth W900 Motorhome is a rolling symbol of freedom and style. It's more than a motorhome. It's a statement. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next wild ride. Let us know in the comments. If you had a Kenworth W900 Motorhome, where's the first place you'd take it? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.